Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram action blocked error on your PC. One of the most common reasons for this error is performing too many actions in a short period of time. If you have been liking posts, following accounts, commenting, or sending a lot of messages, stop all activity for at least 24 to 72 hours. This gives Instagram time to remove the temporary restriction from your account. Next, check if you are using a VPN or proxy service. Instagram sometimes flags VPN IP addresses as suspicious and may block certain actions. Turn off any active VPN or proxy on your device, then refresh Instagram and try again. Another simple fix is to log out of your Instagram account and sign back in. Open Instagram, click on your profile, log out completely, and then log back into your account. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account issues. If you are sure that you have not used any automation tools, bots, or violated Instagram's rules, you can report the problem directly to Instagram. Click the More menu, select Help, then choose Report a Problem. Explain that you are receiving the action blocked error and believe it may be a mistake. Submit the report and wait for Instagram to review your account. Thanks for watching.